The Rosemont Electric has been designed and manufactured in the UK by ARCC Bikes. Each bike is crafted from custom-drawn Reynolds Technology steel tubing and are hand-brazed. Machined stainless steel dropouts allow for a variety of drivetrain options and combine with large full-beam Marathon Plus tyres to deliver a comfortable yet responsive ride. The E2 Pod intelligent drive system uses a Bosch battery to deliver a range of up to 75 kilometres dependent on the battery selected. The launch control feature provides a 3-second boost, enabling an effortless getaway from lights and crossings in heavy traffic. Each E2 Pod comes with a handlebar-mounted wireless Bluetooth controller, which allows the user to alter the power levels whilst riding. This can also be done using the free app. Complete with disc brakes, a carbon belt drive, and a variety of hub gear options, including roll-off, each bike is configured by you, for you. Just choose from a range of options and ARCC will do the rest. We offer a 5-year warranty on each Rosemont Electric, as well as on the E2 Pod. Find out more and book your test ride today on our website, arcbikes.com.